Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant is a highly regarded skincare product designed for gentle daily exfoliation. This unique rice-based enzyme powder activates with water to remove dead skin cells, promoting a brighter, smoother complexion. It is formulated with key ingredients such as rice bran, papain, salicylic acid, and colloidal oatmeal, ensuring effective exfoliation without irritation. Additionally, licorice and grapefruit extracts contribute to an even skin tone and radiant appearance. To use, dispense half a teaspoon of the powder into wet hands, rub together to create a creamy foam, and gently massage onto the face for about 1 minute before rinsing thoroughly. Unlike harsh physical scrubs, this microfoliant provides a mild yet effective exfoliation, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Regular use helps reduce dullness, minimize pores, and improve skin texture. Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant stands out among exfoliants as it combines enzymatic, chemical, and physical exfoliation in a single step. Compared to glycolic acid peels or rough scrubs, it offers a balanced approach that prevents overexfoliation. The product's gentle formulation ensures it can be incorporated into daily skincare routines without causing irritation or excessive dryness. While generally well tolerated, individuals with extremely sensitive skin should conduct a patch test before full application. Those with specific skin concerns like persistent acne or rosacea may want to consult a dermatologist before incorporating new exfoliants into their regimen. In conclusion, Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant is a powerful yet gentle exfoliator that enhances skin clarity and smoothness. Its well-balanced formula makes it a valuable addition to any skincare routine, helping achieve a healthy, radiant complexion with consistent use. Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant is a highly regarded